Hello friends, this is Adil. Today I'm talking about Lenovo Legion 7, which is a 10th generation Core i7 with 10875H processor, which has 8 cores and a high turbo speed processor, which ranks 57 on the popularity basis, which I believe is good value for money. Also, Lenovo Legion 7 packs with 16 GB and 1TB SSD, which is an extra boost to the processing power. This video is longer than my usual videos because I share different benchmark results, video rendering processing results, gaming experience and much more. All the information and results you can find down below in the video description. So let's go and explore. If you are living in Saudi Arabia, then you can place an order from the Jareed bookstore website or either visit their branch for more detail, and its price is 7899 Saudi Riyal. Lenovo Legion 7 is a Windows 10 laptop with a 15.6-inch display, which is the world's thinnest Nvidia GeForce RTX 2060 gaming laptop with 10th generation Core i7 10875H processor, 16 GB DDR memory, and also Western Digital 1TB SSD, which makes this laptop is so special and amazing. On the left side we have one Thunderbolt 3, one USB Type-C connector and headphone mic combo connector. On the right side we have one USB 3.1 port, Novo hole or Novo button. This option is for start the recovery system. On the back side we have two Type-C connectors, one HDMI connection, one Ethernet jack and power in connector. Lenovo Vantage application makes it easy to get more out of your Legion PC by enabling you to personalize your settings and optimize your system's performance quickly and seamlessly. From Lenovo Vantage, you can see the CPU usage graphs, SSD usage, and you can also see the hardware information. We have three kinds of thermal mode settings which you can find here, like performance mode, balance mode and quiet mode. Let's talk about its multitasking abilities. I'm running Adobe Photoshop 2020 edition, Ghost Remaster 3D game and its gameplay. I'm doing some web browsing as well. Trust me, it is doing multitasking as smooth as butter. Let's test the battery performance of Legion 7. When the battery status is 97, it gives you a maximum of 2 hours and 14 minutes, which is not appreciated, but depend on the working experience as video rendering, and for gaming better plug in the power for enjoying the full experience of the laptop. Rapid Charge Pro loads from 0 to 50% in less than 30 minutes. Spread the sound of the Legion 7 laptop with two dual laptop speakers and the Dolby Atmos speaker system, equipped with the two 4.7cc sound chambers in a successive cinema wave. Also, it has a 720p HD camera which is useful for Zoom meetings. The Legion 7 has a full keyboard with number pad, backlit with Corsair IQ lighting for customizable RGB. It's labeled under Lenovo's Thunderstrike proprietary line, bringing 1.3 mm of key travel and a soft hit when bottom out. The keys do feel good while typing and they are responsive while gaming. Mechanical keyboards are always preferred for gaming, and at this price Lenovo could have included the option, if even at the slight premium. If you want to learn about RGB lighting, which I have already done, just click on the card link. The precision touchpad is big enough for productivity work, but like the keyboard, it seems Lenovo could have done a bit more. The Full HD screen resolution 1920x1080 combines true and rich color contrast with saturation and Dolby Atmos, transport you to new gaming world in a new revolutionary way, and I enjoyed using GeForce Experience software, which gives multiple options like displaying FPS, video capture and much more. Time to see the benchmark results of 3D Mark times by Cinebench R20, UserBenchmark and PC Mark 10. Let's enjoy the experience. "3D Mark times by benchmark result gives 6078 scores. So overall it comes 4th on the ranking. It gives 5783 scores on GPU and 8552 score on CPU, which is quite good. Overall it's a great score. On the Cinebench R20 result, it scores 3625 and ranked 4th as well. Overall, it's a great result. While on the user benchmark, it scores 79 for gaming and other working environment. It gives 99%, which is awesome. But on the PC performance and expectations, it gives a 73% score. On the PC Mark 10, it gives a 6375 score with GeForce RTX 2060 and Intel Core i7. Overall, it's 83% better than all the results. Lenovo Legion 7 is an ideal machine for video editing, and it can easily handle softwares like Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects, but I prefer to use Filmora X. For video editing, let's see the CPU and GPU performance while video rendering and video render view. The GeForce RTX 2060 is powered by Nvidia, which brings incredible performance and the power of real-time ray tracing, which is excellent for the latest games and other GPU-related works. Being a video creator, it's important to know how to work on the Adobe Photoshop, and let's see the experience how it handles Photoshop 2020 edition. Finally, time to play some games on the Legion 7 and what frame per second get it while playing Shadows of the Tomb Raider and Minecraft Dungeons. While playing Shadows of the Tomb Raider, I get 72 FPS, which is an excellent score. On the Minecraft Dungeons, it easily gives you 144 FPS, which is mind-blowing. Minecraft Dungeons is not a very high-end graphics game. The most amazing thing for any gamer when you exit the game and then PC is not giving you any loading or slowness experience even after playing high-end graphics game for 1 hour. Just see the refresh result. The Legion 7 displays features stunning visual 4-corner offices, 2 battle stations, for cinema-like immersive gaming experience. The Legion 7 features a 15.6-inch 1080p display with a 240Hz refresh rate. Gaming on this panel is a visual treat for the eyes. The Lenovo Legion 7 is looking to be a perfect choice for the gamers who don't want to compromise on power. The next generation Nvidia GeForce RTX GPU and Core i7 CPU will give you a wonderful experience on video editing, gaming and any professional work. Don't forget you can find benchmark results and Jareer bookstore website down below in the video description. For any query about Lenovo Legion 7, you can ask me in the comment section, and I hope this video is helpful for those who are looking for gaming laptop. If you are interested in unboxing videos, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.